Hi guys, welcome to GATE Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to tell you the best process so that you can easily qualify GATE 2021. So guys, this video will be lengthy and please watch this video and subscribe my YouTube channel GATE Humanities and Social Science and share my videos with your friends. So guys, today you will get the best process tips so that you can easily access the GATE question paper and you can easily qualify GATE 2021 exam. So guys, first of all, I want to tell you that GATE is a very easy and comfortable exam. Okay, I know it is one type of a very tough exam in our country, but if you prepare with a plan, okay, if you prepare this exam with a proper plan, proper strategy, you can easily qualify this exam. Okay, there are so many examples, like they actually they had done very well within 1 month, they had done very well within 2 months. Okay, there are so many examples. Okay, so this is very good thing for you, and in this video you will get this type of some information so that you can easily qualify this GATE exam. And this GATE 2021 exam will be a big opportunity for humanities and social science candidates, guys, because this year IIT authority, GATE authority already has introduced new GATE paper. Okay, two new GATE paper are introduced by IIT GATE authority. Remember guys, one is environmental science and engineering, and the second is like humanities and social science. So guys, you will get some good opportunity to explore your education, okay, your future. You will get lot of opportunities in IIT, guys. So guys, please watch this video till the end, share this video with your friends. Okay, so let's start. So guys, today I will tell you the best process, the best way to qualify GATE exam. Okay, guys, you will get in this video very easy tricks so that you can qualify GATE 2021 exam. Okay, and it will be good for you. You will get some very specific, useful and important information. It will give you some motivation. Okay, it will give you some motivation, guys. So watch this video with attention. So guys, tips 1, first, make a weekly plan. The first tips, okay, the first tip is that make a proper plan. You should make a proper strategy. Okay, you should make a proper weekly plan. You can make 3 to 4 day plan also, and it will be according to you, how you are doing, how you are preparing for GATE 2021 exam. Okay, so guys, make a proper strategy, and without strategy you cannot get success. Okay, so make a proper strategy, guys, and according to that strategy you can do very well this GATE 2021. Okay, so guys, First of all, you should make a proper strategy. That's mean if you are strong in your optional elective, you have to prepare very well. And during your exam, you should start from your strong background. Okay, guys, I have made many videos according to your preparation, according to your like queries. So all those video will be very helpful for your preparation, guys. So guys, your first task will be, you have to make a proper plan, you have to make a proper strategy. If you want to crack any national exam, you should make a strategy. Without strategy, without proper plan, you cannot succeed in this type of exam like IIT Joint Entrance, GATE, IIT GATE exam. So you should make a proper strategy so that you can easily qualify this type of exam. So guys, during your examination, you should start from your strong background. That's mean if you are very confident in your optional elective, so you can start easily from that portion. Like those students who are from sociology background, so the question of sociology will be straightforward question. So if you want to start from your comfortable area, comfortable zone, it will be good for you. And you have to make some score in general aptitude part. Okay, don't leave it, don't avoid it. So you can make a proper strategy, you can make a proper weekly plan, and according to that plan you must do something very well. Okay, so that is my first steps. You should make a proper strategy, you should make a weekly study plan. Okay, so guys, my next tips is like cover each and every topic of your optional elective. So guys, my second suggestion is that you should cover each topic, you should cover every topic of your optional elective. Guys, wait for a moment. So guys, already I have discussed my first tips, that is you have to make a proper strategy for your preparation because the exam is knocking at your door. So guys, you have to cover very important, so much important topics that you are want to cover. You have to do it with a proper plan. So guys, so my next tip is like you have to cover each and every topic of your optional elective. Guys, if you are very well in your optional elective, so you can start your exam with a question taking from that your comfortable zone. Okay, you can start from your comfortable zone. So guys, you can do it very well. So my third tips is that like don't avoid general aptitude part. Already I have mentioned about it, guys. Don't avoid, you should not avoid general aptitude part and reasoning part. At least do something, do whatever you can, just do for this part. Okay, you must do something, you should not leave at all. Okay, you have to score at least 4 to 5, 5 to 10 marks, 5 to 6 marks, whatever the marks you can get from this general aptitude and reasoning part. You can do something for it, and that is why you should make a proper plan. Guys, why I am saying this, because there are so many chapters. Okay, and from the chapters you can get a very easy question. Like I want to tell you some chapters like data interpretation. In general aptitude part, you will get a question from your short question you will get from data interpretation, that is data problem. Okay, so data interpretation from that, this is the topic from you will get one question each and every year. Okay, so guys, you should not avoid. And one more thing, preposition. Okay, preposition is one important like topic and chapter, so you will get at least one or two question from this preposition part. Okay, and you will get this type of question in your general aptitude part. Okay guys, so and in the reasoning part you have to cover many topics. Okay, you have to cover many topics. I'll make a separate video for this portion. Okay, reasoning part, which topic you have to cover. Okay, my second video will be about reasoning topic. My second video about GATE 2021 for humanities and social science student. My second video like my next video will be about reasoning topic. Okay guys, I think this will help you a lot. Okay, so guys, if you want to score at least 5 to 6 marks, you have to cover some important topics of general aptitude part. Okay, so general aptitude and reasoning part is very crucial part, and it will help you to get a good rank in GATE 2021 exam. So my suggestion is that like you should not avoid general aptitude and reasoning part at all. At least do something. Okay, at least do something. Okay, don't avoid it, don't leave it just like a blank paper. Okay, so guys, my fourth tips is that try to cover all the GATE topics of your elective. Okay, this is very important for you guys. These tips you have to remember, you have to recall. Okay, try to cover all GATE topics of your syllabus. Okay, from anywhere you can get some information. You can get information related to your each and every topic in your like you can get information from internets, you can get information from your textbooks. So you have to cover any type of topic related term, so that you can at least you will be familiar about that topic, about that terminology. So it is very important you have to cover all GATE topics, at least gathered some information for each and every topic. And this is very important. Okay guys, this is very important. You have to cover all each and every topic. Okay, so I think this information will be very helpful for you guys for your GATE 2021 exam. So guys, my tips number 5 is that always be positive and avoid all the negative things. Okay, you have to avoid all the negative things and negative thoughts. You should avoid all that things. Okay, because if you want to get admission in IIT, so you should put more and more efforts. And I am telling guys, sometimes I am giving my suggestion to many students, many younger students, those who are preparing for IIT entrance. So always I tell all those my neighbors that you should avoid negative thinkings. Never any negative things you have to avoid. Always you should be positive. And one more important thing, you have to be more and more specific about exam. Okay, you should put more and more effort. You should put more and more effort so that you can at least qualify. You have to just qualify this exam, and you will get at least 1 and 2 opportunity to get admission in any IIT. So guys, listen carefully. This video will be very helpful. You must share this video with your friends. So my tips number 5 is that you should be positive. You should avoid all the negative thinkings, negative thoughts, whatever the negative matters you should avoid. At least you have to qualify this exam. At least if you are doing good, you will get at least pass marks. Okay, and you will get opportunity. I am giving the surety that if you qualify at least in this year, because this is the first time IIT GATE authority are taking exam about humanities and social science. Okay, so guys, you have to qualify this exam. At least you have to qualify. So guys, my tips number 6 is that this is my personal opinion. Okay, so tips number 6 is my personal opinion. So like every man and woman, every organism in the world, okay, so one will die one day. Okay, and you and me, everyone. So guys, you and me, everyone, okay, so you will die one day and you will do nothing after your death. So remember guys, you will die one day and you will do nothing after your death. So you know it very well, you will do nothing after death. So do everything before your death. You should put effort, you should do something very special for your dream. Your dream will come if you like, if you put efforts more than 100%. If you want to get admission in IIT like IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, you should give everything. You should put more efforts, you should give more and more dedication to your study. You have to make some strategy so that you can easily qualify. So guys, these are the everything today for your motivation. If whatever you can like, you can take it as a motivation speech, you can take it as a like some suggestion. So I think this video will be very helpful guys. So guys, watch this video with your friends, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel like GATE Humanities and Social Science. Okay, so guys, thank you and all the best.